Welcome students. In this class I am going to help you to solve question number 3 of exercise 7.3. Let's start solving question number 3. Two sides AB and BC and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to sides PQ and QR and median PN of triangle PQR. Show that number 1, triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN, and number 2, triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Let's see what is given here once again. Given in triangle ABC and in triangle PQR, side AB, this side equal to side PQ, and side BC means this side equals to side QR, that is this side, and median AM equals to median PN. Now we have to show that triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. Proof. In triangles ABM and triangle PQN, we have AB equals to PQ, which is given in the question, so we write given. We also can write BM equals to QN, as because given that BC equals to QR, which implies half of BC equals to half of QR, and half of BC means BM and half of QR means QN. Now question arises, why half of BC means BM and half of QR means QN? As because AM and PN are the medians, and we also have AM equals to PN, which is given. Therefore, triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN by SSS congruence rule. So in this way we can prove the first part of this question. Now we are going to prove triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Since triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN, we have already proved here. Therefore, angle ABM equals to angle PQN by CPCT. Look carefully. We have already proved triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. Therefore, we can say angle ABM equals to angle PQN, because this angle and this angle are the corresponding part of these two congruent triangles. So I have written here, since triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN, therefore angle ABM equals to angle PQN by CPCT. That is, angle ABC equals to angle PQR, because angle ABM and angle ABC are the same angles. So I have written, instead of angle ABM, angle ABC, and angle PQN and angle PQR are the same angles. So I have written PQR instead of PQN. Now in triangles ABC and triangle PQR, we have AB equals to PQ, which is given. Number 2, angle ABC equals to PQR, proved earlier. And BC equals to QR, which is given. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR, SAS congruent rule. Thus, we can prove the second part of this question. No more today. I wish you all the best.